we're going to our house.
No,
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go get ice cream. What kind of ice cream do you want?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
What flavor is it? Huh?
That's joke.
That's a joke? What's the joke?
That's stop and go.
What? Hey, Bennett. Can you count for me?
6.
What comes after 1?
1.
Hmm? What comes after 1? Is that the red sign that you were talking about?
No, this is like this.
What do your lips feel like?
Hurt.
They hurt?
Red.
No, they didn't wake up yet. Can you close your mouth? Show me how you can close your mouth. Close it. All the way. Close your lips together.